Struggling to scale your Facebook ads after the recent update? Today, I'll show you exactly how to scale your ads correctly and avoid common mistakes when increasing your budget. First, we all know ads have a learning phase. Many people assume that once the learning phase completes, everything will perform perfectly, but that's not true. If your ad isn't optimized from the start, scaling later won't give great results. After launching your ad, give it at least 24 hours to gather data before adjusting budgets. Make sure your creative is solid before you scale. Now, imagine you have two ad sets, ad set A and ad set B. Ad set A has been running for 3 days, and the cost per purchase is $3, while B is performing at a lower cost. Many marketers make the mistake of turning off the underperforming ad immediately. But then, the cost of B can slowly rise. Why? Because A was converting certain audience segments, and B was benefiting indirectly. That's why you shouldn't just turn off ads. Scale carefully. So how do you scale correctly? First, keep your existing ad sets running. Second, increase the budget at the campaign level, not individual ad sets. Third, add new creative ads. When new ad sets are added, the campaign budget will allocate to them naturally. This balances pressure across your ad sets, ensures proper scaling, and increases sales without spiking costs. In summary, don't turn off ad sets too quickly. Add new creative ads to the campaign. Increase budget at the campaign level, not individual ads. Following these steps ensures proper scaling even after the latest Facebook update, helping you get more sales while maintaining cost efficiency. I hope this video helps you scale your Facebook ads successfully. Hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below to let me know which step you'll try first. Thanks for watching.